Mabuhay Philippines, Namaste. I'm Chef Surat Rana, Executive Chef of Royal Indian Curry House. You can call me Chef Rana. Today I want to share you my recipe how to cook chicken homemade curry. Chicken homemade curry is a classic Indian dish that we love so much. So prepare your ingredients and let's do it. Okay, let's do it. So what you need first, fine chopped onion. Okay, fine chopped onion, fresh tomato, fine chopped fresh tomato. Okay, so my onion is ready, my tomato is ready, chicken is ready, and the one thing I am going to add is different, ginger garlic paste. The ginger garlic paste, there is use 50% of ginger, 50% of garlic. So blend it. This is ginger garlic paste. I start many types of chicken curry, but I like my chicken curry is best. I'm not making myself proud or anything, but my chicken curry I like is best. So what you need first, oil on the fire. Cooking oil, put it almost. When you are making chicken curry, the oil quantity you can make little extra. Okay, oil in. Cloves, just only 4 to 5 pieces. Green cardamom, 3 to 4 pieces. Bay leaf and black pepper. That's it. Let the spices roast little bit. Now add onion in, finely chop onion, in India there is many places, there is many kind of chicken curry. If you go south, they have South Indian style chicken curry. If you go north, we have North Indian style chicken curry, but I am cooking North Indian style chicken curry. The difference between South Indian curry and North Indian curry, in South Indian curry they use coconut milk and they don't use lots of tomato, not lots of onion. They use coconut curry and some whole chili. So based on coconut curry and the chili, whole chili. Cook the onion until it gets slightly brown. So that's the time you have to add other ingredients. Okay, the onion should be the color like this, so brown very nicely. Then now the time to add ginger garlic paste. Then saute. Cook it until the ginger and garlic cook properly. Now the time to add spices, the seasoning. So let's slow the heat, because if we will continue the heat, it will get burned. So let's slow the heat. The first things you need to add turmeric powder. Turmeric powder and salt. Salt to taste. Let's cook it. Okay, turmeric, coriander powder. Then jeera powder, 1 2 tablespoon. Then garam masala. Garam masala do not add more, it will give you strong taste. So garam masala just of half tablespoon. So let's roast the spices together. Now the time of put chili powder. The chili powder is depending on you. If you want to spicy, not spicy or medium, so I'm just adding medium spices, medium spicy only. So this is the time. Okay, now the spices is roast. Add little water. Don't add too much water. Little water only. Let's cook it. Let's mix it well. Now the time is to add tomato, fresh tomato. Okay, after adding the tomato, let's cook the tomato. After adding the tomato, let the tomato cook. Cooked. After the tomato cooked, we'll add chicken. So remember, always remember that when you are adding chicken, do not put water same time. Let the chicken cook itself, because chicken has water. Let's cook it together, so that what will happen, the chicken will absorb the spices. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then after that, we will add chicken. Okay, before adding chicken, the gravy should be looks like this. The tomato is mashed, onion is mashed. You see the sauce. This is the time to add our chicken. So let's add the chicken. Making chicken curry home style, use the chicken with bone. I like with bone and fresh, not the frozen one. The fresh is much better. Okay, let's mix it together. We will not add water. Let it cook the chicken with its juice. Sometimes the people mistake. What is the people mistake? What they did? They put chicken, they put water. That's wrong. Completely wrong. So when you put chicken, let the chicken cook with its juice. So the chicken will absorb the spices. So let it cook for again about 3 to 4 minutes. Then we'll add water. That's the perfect time. So after putting the chicken, do not forget it mix time to time. You will forget, then it will get burned. That's not my fault. It's your fault. Wow. You see the color of the chicken. Then you can feel the flavor, the aroma. That's the beauty of Indian food, the flavor. That's the beauty. Then now, time to add water. Okay, let's add water. That's it. And cook it again 5 to 10 minutes. Then now we will wait. tangina sarap ng amoy. Okay, let's check it. Let's check it. You can see the freshness of the sourness of tomato, then the sweetness of onion, then the spices. It smells all nice. It's cooked all, everything is just a balance. It's perfect. Now the most important ingredients to add: coriander. This is the beauty of Indian cuisine. It's like, you know, girls go beauty parlor, have makeup. In Indian cuisine is something like that. So now to add coriander. Wow, look at the color. So that's it. Now the time of serving time. The chicken is perfectly cooked. You can see the chicken now. It's perfectly cooked. The gravy is perfect. So the things here, what you need to focus, the consistency should be like this. Not so thick, not so thin. That's homemade chicken curry. Oh, look at it. I'm sure you will love it. Even you are Filipino, Indian or any nationality, you will love it. Trust me. Some of my Filipino friends, they think that Indian food is spicy. I'm telling them it's not spicy, it's just what you use is spices. Spiciness is depend on you, how you want it in your food. If you want spicy, you can add spicy. But if you want to just normal, you don't have to add chili. The taste will be same. Trust me. Here is my home style chicken curry. Tara, kain na. Okay, let's have the chicken curry with. I'm having it with basmati rice. Wow. You can have it with Indian bread. You can have it with the local rice. The most important thing is that your chicken curry should be taste like my chicken curry. Please comment and subscribe my YouTube channel Chef Surat Rana PH, and see you next video.
Action.
So here is my chicken home style.
Benjud.
Benchot. Benchot. Why like this? Benchot, why are happening like this? Here is my home style chicken curry. Tara, kain na.